windy. Today's windy, today's cold and cloudy. Oh, did you see that? Bird. A lot of birds. Beauty. So let's go this way. So pretty. Coffee shop. I already had my coffee today, so I'm done. Beautiful. Oh, mag-scooter yung baby. Agad-agad. No way. Umuulan pa. So, punta tayo sa train. There's a train there. And let's see if that's my train going to west side. Oops! There you go. Ayan. Ang daming tao. Lagi-lagi. Okay guys. So dito hindi uso ang sasakyan. Kasi mahirap maghanap ng parking lot. Exchange place. So, punta tayo. Ayun na yung train natin guys. So punta tayo doon. Ito na siya. So let's see if that's going to west side. Unfortunately, that's 80th Street. So, antay tayo. As you can see, maliit siya. Shorter. Kasi, Sunday ngayon. Say bye guys. Andito ng ating mga ano. Bye-bye na.